this is the garage of the owner, and we're locking up right now. But let me tell you, yo, nice rack. This is RIC. Today's theme.
A bike is special.
Eminem, I want to rip your heart out. Oh my gosh, look at this. Power tools, man.
Powerful one, this one.
Ryobi?
That's not a joker. That's a pretty, like, you know. It's gonna be good.
There we go. Philly, what you gotta say about this moment?
Looks tasty.
Looks tasty. Expecting like fall off the rib. Fall off the ribs right now. Succulent, juicy chicken. Pulled pork. I can't wait. Okay, so we got the milkshakes on deck right now. So what's cool is that they give you the remainder of the milkshake in this thing.
They're not cheap.
They're not cheap.
It's really good too. Really rich and creamy.
How is it?
Try it.
Well, you have to do like...
No, how's your vanilla? Yo, okay, so we got the ribs in like 8 minutes. The guy said like half an hour. But came really fast.
Color greens.
Yo, that's great customer service, bro.
Sugar milk.
That's fine. Thank you. He said it would take half an hour, and we were ready for the wait.
There we go. Check out the mac and cheese.
You gotta figure to overestimate you and then get it set.
There you go. Thank you, man. That's awesome.
Okay, let's dive in. We're down to the last rib. There it is. I know Phil's still hungry. He ate half my macaroni and he wants the other half. But he ain't having it, man. Actually, you can have a little bit more if you want.
A little bit.
So like, a little bit. Don't like go, yeah, not like that, but actually it's fine. That's fine.
So shameful.
Let's dive into this. I think it's safe to say we get about 3 pounds each. How do you feel, man?
I
Feel like poop?
Yeah, I feel good.
Feel good? Feel good? Feel fat? No, it's all good. Recommend this place, the Memphis Fire Barbecue Company. If you're on this street, which is this street, on the corner of this street, next to the Canadian flag. Okay, so Phil and I are just like doing some sanding and flexing right now. Clean up work to this deck. Basically prop work. And let me tell you, this guy's got a nice backyard. A little bit too many plants though. Like too many. Too much.
It's his passion, so it's okay.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like he does all the gardening himself, so.
There you go. Is he retired?
Yeah, no, he's still working.
Jeez. Let me show you my crib, through my crib right now. We got the swimming pool right here. With 2 planters. Man's got a tiki bar right there. It's a huge house. Look at this. Tiki bar right there. How sweet is this? I just wanted to jump in, man. It looks so refreshing. Anyways, what are we gonna do? I think we're gonna paint today. Paint the deck.
When I got this soda, furry boys they know.